Hey y'all, this is Carl and Dawn's Homestead. I got me more milk crates. I'm gonna mount to the wall and strap them to the post here for my chickens. I got two that's been up for a long time, and they love it. They produce a lot of eggs, and they lay a lot of eggs. Anyway, I got this little one here. I got this one, and I got 5 more of these that I'm gonna mount. Anyway, just wanted to show you. By the way, my new DeWalt is gonna come in handy for this. This one here I already screwed to the wall, and I'm strapping them. Give you an idea. Alright, one strapped. And I'm using these zip ties. Not sure how, probably about 10 inches long. Anyway, this is how that goes. It's not going anywhere. These have been up for more than a year maybe, and did a lot of good. And here is the next one I'm gonna put up. All right, I'm gonna screw this one to the wall. I'm using 1.5 inch roofing screws I had left over laying around. Anyway, this is what I'm using to mount to the walls. They hold. That's what I use for those other ones. Alright, get one more. Not going anywhere, y'all. Strap them in. Anyway, they're 14 inches long. I know they're a little too long, but I'm going to trim them, cut them down. But I've been having these laying around here for a long time too. Don't even remember where I bought them. Anyway, I'm going to put 2 straps at the bottom to mount it to the post. Mom was fussing at the animals. I'm sure you can hear her. Alright. Here's the second one.
Huh?
Say hello to the video.
Oh.
Say hello.
Hello. You want hay in here, honey?
Yes. Just fill it up and I'll put some hay in these. Alright. There you have it. Show you what these look like. Anyway, the hay we use. She's gonna get some hay for these. The 2 I just put up. That's the 2. Hey, look at that! My new DeWalt kit, y'all. Combo kit. Brought it out here to help me out with my task. Anyway, there you have it. I'm gonna put one more here if it fits. One more where my bag is. Alright y'all, there you have it. Little one right here. This one, and these 2 have been up, but anyway, I have 5 in here now. I got about 3 or 4 more I'm going to put up. Just wanted to give you an idea. These things work really well. Take a look here. Put a couple of metal screws in each one, well 3 in that one, and then 2 in this one. It's not going anywhere, it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. Plus the straps underneath. Anyway, I'm supposing you can see the straps under there. There they are. Alright, this is Carl. Carl and Dawn's Homestead. Please subscribe to my channel. You'll be notified when we upload new videos. And you'll be notified of them. Do me a favor. Press that like button down below. I hope y'all have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. God bless you. Carl and Dawn's Homestead signing out.